Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel, Advanced Coding Lab. In today's video, we are going to dive into MySQL DDL commands, what they are, how they work, and I will show you examples for each command. If you are just starting with MySQL or if you are brushing up on your skills, you are in the right place. So let's jump right in. DDL stands for Data Definition Language, and these are the commands you use to define and modify the structure of your database. The major DDL commands in MySQL are create, alter, drop, and truncate. Let's go through each one step by step. First up, we have got the create command. This is used to create new database objects like databases, tables, views, etc. Let's look at an example. Here, we are creating a new database called SampleDB. After running this, you can check the databases with the command show databases to confirm it is there. Next, we are creating a table called users. It has 3 columns, ID, name, and email. The ID is an auto-incrementing primary key, which ensures each user gets a unique identifier. Now let's move on to the alter command. This is used to modify an existing database object like adding or removing columns from a table or changing column data types. In this example, we are adding a new column age to the user table. You can also use alter to modify or delete columns. Here we are changing the data type of the name column from varchar 100 to varchar 150. Next, we have the drop command, which is used to delete an entire database, table, or other objects. Be careful with this one because once an object is dropped, it is gone forever. In this example, we are deleting the SampleDB database completely, and here we are dropping the users table. Again, this action is permanent, so make sure you have backed up your data if needed. Next, let's look at the truncate command. This one deletes all the data from a table but keeps the structure intact. It is different from drop because the table itself remains in the database. As you can see, after running this command, the user's table will be empty, but the table itself is still there, ready for new data to be inserted. And that's a wrap on MySQL DDL commands. We have covered the create, alter, drop, and truncate commands. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. And if you have any questions or need clarification on anything, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.